Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's CITI program webinar. Today's topic is NSPM 33 Research Security Programs Standard Requirement Draft, Analysis and Practical Advice for Research Institutions. And it will be presented by Alan Depova from the University of Pittsburgh. Alan Depova is the Director of the Office of Trade Compliance at the University of Pittsburgh. In this capacity, he is responsible for the Export Controls Program, Academic Visitor Vetting, Biological Imports, Drones, and management of Pitt's Managing International Research and Engagement website. He is also an active member and past chair of the board for the Association of University Export Control Officials, OECO, current board member for the Council on Government Relations, COGR, steering committee member for the Academic Security and Counter-Exploitation Working Group, ASSE, and export controls representative for the AAU-APLU Science and Security Working Group.
Our objectives for today are as follows. Become familiar with the federal laws and other guidance released in 2021 and 22, driving the research security program standard requirement. Think through a hypothetical timeline for the implementation of research security programs. Understand the main sections of the draft NSPM 33 research security program standard requirement. And finally, identify suggestions and considerations organizations can take now in preparation for the final research security program rules. For all intents and purposes, the topic of research security is fairly new to our industry, with most public cases, including the Lieber case, involving the failure to disclose foreign engagements to one's employer or a federal agency. It wasn't until around 2021 when we began to see a coordinated movement on the legislative front that started with the fiscal year 2021 National Defense Authorization Act, Section 223. This particular section now made it mandatory for federal grant-making agencies to include the requirement for key personnel to disclose all current and pending other support. This requirement was normally present in most federal agency grant and contract application processes, but now is mandatory. This was followed up closely with two other releases. The first was the National Security Presidential Memorandum 33, also called NSPM 33, which established national security policy for the protection of U.S. government-supported research and development against foreign government interference and exploitation. Accompanying NSPM 33 was a document that contains 21 recommended practices for strengthening the security and integrity of America's research enterprise. This document is currently referred to as the JCOR Research Security Recommendations.
Finally, I invite everyone to review our content offerings regularly, as we are continually adding new courses and webinars that may be of interest to you all.